So I'm going to have you guys download another extension, and you have to get it on Google Chrome. So you would launch the Google Chrome, and you can see it's already up here. And we are going to be looking for the Read and Write extension. So you'll type that in the search, okay? And once you do that, it's going to take us right to this link, Read and Write for Google Chrome. Click on that, takes you right into the Chrome Web Store and right to this extension. It's a purple puzzle piece and it says RW for Read and Write. You're going to add to Chrome. You're going to click Add Extension, and then you'll see it pop up here. We're going to X out because what we want to do is we want to pin it so it stays up there, but right now it doesn't. So we're going to go in this dark purple piece, dark puzzle piece. It's hard to say. And we're going to scroll down till we see the other purple. It's not this one, but it's Read and Write. And we're going to pin it. Now watch what happens up here. When I pin it, and that's just a push pin, and I go like that, it will stay up there, okay? So then we're going to close it out. Now, we're also going to launch it. So I'm going to go to another site, okay? And we're going to see how this works. And it's slow in the beginning to get going. I'm going to click it a couple of times. Might even have to refresh. That's okay. That's kind of what happens. Okay, and I'm going to click it again and it pops up. Now, since this is a free version, we don't get all the bells and whistles, but what you do get is play, which is the read aloud, pause, and stop. And those are the important things. Before we get going, I want you to click in here under the three dots and under options. And this is where you can adjust the speed if the voice is going too fast. Reading, we're going to deselect it so that none of these are clicked, okay? Translation, you can change it to another language if you want, but that's the only thing we're really worried about is the speed and making those so that none of these have a check, and hit OK. So here is how it works. You're going to do it a sentence or a line at a time, and you click, you highlight it, and you hit play.
Quiz, capitals and punctuation.
And then you hit stop. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like because you're going to be taking a quiz in this program called Schoology, and I'll get to that in a little bit, but you would highlight each line again, and you can triple click it, or you can highlight by clicking and dragging, and you just
Capitalization is used when you write.
And you just hit that play. So now, if I want to hear this, and it's not perfect, but it's good enough.
Titles of people like Dr., Mr., Mrs., Ms., President, etc.
Okay. So you have to highlight each row to hear it.
States, countries, and people.
Okay. So once you're done, you can just X off out of there. Okay. There is another, this is hover speech. And if you click it on, theoretically, when we go like this.
Capitalization is used when you write.
Okay. So
titles of people like Dr., Mr., Mrs., Ms., President, etc. All of the above.
So as soon as you click on any of those with the hover, then you don't have to triple click. Okay, so it's up to you how you want to use it. I hope this is helpful. I'm going to close out of it with the X and see you next time.